Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials: your appointment confirmation or registration email, and the ID details used during booking. Once those are at hand, go to the passport portal and sign in with your account credentials. If you booked without creating an account, use the portal's lookup option with your confirmation number and DOB to access the appointment. Make sure to enable any multi-factor authentication prompts. This keeps the session secure while you move directly into cancellation options. Once logged in, navigate to My Appointments and choose the booking you want to cancel. You'll see a Cancel or Modify button. Click Cancel and select the reason from the list. This helps the system free slots for others. Make sure to review any warning about non-refundable fees or timing restrictions before confirming. After you confirm, wait for the portal to display a cancellation confirmation and then check your email. Many systems send an immediate confirmation or reference code that proves the cancellation. Finish by saving a screenshot of the cancellation page and any confirmation email. This is your proof. If you didn't receive an email, return to the portal and use the appointment lookup to verify status or contact support via chat or phone with your confirmation number. If the portal won't let you cancel, clear your browser cache, try an alternate browser or device, and retry. If that fails, call support and read your saved screenshot, allowed to validate the cancellation quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.